Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the free method to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad using Ksign. And yes, no PC or computer is needed. This method works perfectly on iOS 16, 17, 18, and iOS 26 as well. So if you've been looking for a safe, working way to sideload apps using Ksign, make sure you watch till the end because I'll show you every step. Okay, let's get started. First, open Safari, then go to the AppleJr website or the link in the description below. Go to the Ksign tab and you'll see a new certificate created for Ksign. But before using it, you must install AppleJr DNS to make it work correctly. Just click the Install AppleJr DNS button and then tap Allow when the profile download appears. After the AppleJr DNS has been installed, then go back to the AppleJr website and tap on the Ksign installation link. You'll see several Ksign links available. You can try them one by one, because different devices may work with different certificates. Tap the Install button and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, you'll see Ksign appear on your home screen. Before opening it, make sure to verify the app by going to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Then tap your developer name or certificate and choose Trust. Now, Ksign is fully installed and ready to use. Now, on this new version of Ksign, you don't need to import any certificate manually because this version already includes the certificate inside the app. So, it's much simpler and faster to use. Next, just import the IPA file that you want to install. Tap the Import button and select your IPA file from the Files app. For example, I want to install this IPA Files, or any app you want to sideload using Ksign. Once imported, you'll see the IPA appear in your App Library tab. Tap the app icon, then select Sign and install. Ksign will automatically start signing your app using the built-in certificate. Just wait a few seconds, and when it's finished, your app will appear directly on your home screen, no PC required. Now, you can open the app like normal app using Ksign. One of the best things about this new Ksign version is that it supports unlimited sign, meaning you can install and re-sign as many IPA files as you want, anytime without limits. No need to worry about 7-day expirations or certificate errors like before. So whether you're installing emulators or your own custom builds, this version of Ksign iOS makes it super easy and completely free. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I'll keep updating you with the latest working certificates, DNS methods, and iOS sideloading tricks every week.